I'd like to invite you and welcome you to the Understanding Anger 2.0 monthly series in which I will be presenting about and discussing and answering questions and comments about all sorts of texts, thinkers, topics that have to do with this emotion, this complex emotion of anger in philosophical and literary, theological, and other texts as well. Understanding Anger was a series that I did back in Kingston, New York at a local library. Understanding 2.0 is one that I'm doing for the entire internet. Anybody who wants to show up can pop in and hear me talk in a hopefully well-researched way about the text, thinker, topics for that month, and get the opportunity to ask questions through live chat, make some comments, engage about all of this sort of stuff. So we've got a lot of great sessions coming up. I hope that you can make some of them, maybe learn something in the process. Anger is one of the most complex of the human emotions and is so worth studying. And there's so many thinkers that we can learn from in this process. So I hope that you'll join me and join in on Understanding Anger 2.0.